What's going on, guys? A little trade recap for you guys. So we took 2 trades yesterday. Ended up taking an L on both of them. Okay, so we're going to go over the trade recap, why I took each trade, how I could have done better, how things could have panned out in my way. Spilling my coconut. But without further ado, let's get into it. So we'll start off, I guess, on ES. Okay, first thing that we need to know is we had FOMC meeting minutes yesterday, okay, and today we have unemployment claims, so if you guys plan on trading today, keep that in mind. And we have ISM services or flash manufacturing. Okay, so yesterday, going into market open, we were bearish on the hourly, we were bearish on the 4-hour, giving me my overall bias. Then from there, market opened, okay, we came through and we swept out these highs, which were, damn, I hate when it does that, bro. Which were these hourly highs, okay? And then from there, scale down into the 5-minute once I saw that happen. Okay, and we saw this imbalance get filled right from here down to here. I saw a rejection, entered off of that, stops above here. My targets, right, as you can see, I entered off of that. My targets were this low right here. Okay, obviously we got stopped out before that area got hit. And then this low right here, which ended up getting hit perfectly, which actually was not a low at all. It was just this order block. And then final take profit was all the way down here. The main thing here was honestly just I should have waited for FOMC minutes to come out. Happened at 3, and we saw that market pretty much moved sideways until that point in time, where market actually decided to start moving, and this is right here is when 3 hit. Okay, New York time, and then as we can see, we get that touch of that confluence, and then price ends up ripping. Okay, so that was ES. NASDAQ, super similar situation. We were bearish on the 4-hour prior to market open. We were bearish on the hourly prior to market open. I marked out this draw on liquidity, this draw, this draw. Market opened. Okay, we came through. We swept out these highs. We broke structure to the downside. We made this fair value gap. I entered off of the rejection of the fair value gap. Right, we fill it with this candle, fill it again with this candle. We get a rejection. I entered off that. Stops were above this 5-minute high, and take profits were based off of this kind of hourly leg down prior to this move up. I kind of classified this as like an hourly / 4-hour order block, or just an area of confluence. And then along with that, this hourly low, we had this hourly low, which is slightly lower than this one, and then boom, final take profit right there. I really only extended it down to here because this was just super bold for me to put on there. And also something to keep in mind, another area that I went wrong was there was NVIDIA earnings that came out yesterday. And I should have known that the market was going to just pause and wait until NVIDIA earnings came out, or at least until FOMC minutes came out. And as we can see right here is when FOMC minutes came out, and then boom, price ends up moving. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up the 2 trades that I took for today, or yesterday. Now we can start off fresh. We are still up on the week. And now we have a switch in bias. I'll give you guys a little hint. Switch in bias, hourly is bullish, 4-hour is bullish, and the daily is bullish. So we could potentially see, we already poked above all-time highs here. So we could potentially see another rip past all-time highs. And yeah, that's our trade recap. All right, boys? Peace out.